Because it's one right here. And it's in here so doggone good. I done reached down. Found that. And let me tell you this. If you do have real compact soil, grow potatoes. Grow potatoes. People have shown it where you can use potatoes, daikon radishes, things like that to loosen your soil. I think I just broke that. No, I didn't. Look at this. Now this is a crazy shape. But it'll do what? It will eat. It will eat. My stomach don't care what shape it is. My stomach is not discerning in that way. There's a little end there. See those little ends that break off? Replant that. Even if it doesn't grow, it will feed your soil. And that's what we after in the long run. So I'm gonna try to get this. Is what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on. Actually, I'm gonna back this up. Then I'm gonna loosen that soil. There's one. There's your one. There's one. Now see, this is good for the replanting. All right. Get y'all another angle. hit the jackpot. Some more. Uh-oh. Mm. Oh, Lord. Ooh, they down deep, y'all. Look at that. Down real deep. I just got soil all in my face. Here's another. Oh, there's a nerd. They're not ready for me this year, y'all. I knew these sweet potatoes was gonna be good. I knew it. I just knew it. And let me show y'all something. Y'all see this soil? This is soil that basically just was sitting here doing nothing for years and years and years and years. So if you think your soil isn't rich, just like somebody said they got crap soil, I'm still waiting on them to respond. Sometimes you just think your soil is crap and it's not. The problem with this soil was it was very compact. I got dirt. The soil was very compact. It's not that it wasn't rich. It was just very, very compact and full of roots and stuff like that. It still has lots of roots down in here. But these sweet potatoes really, really, really help to loosen this soil. Because before I could not just just how I'm just digging down in here, I couldn't do that before. I see a few grubs. Throw them out to the birds. Hey, Eco neighbor, you want some grubs? I got plenty of them. Come have lunch. Digging around, run up on something. Run up on it there. Let me turn y'all, make sure I'm still recording. Y'all know this thing, it'll cut off on me. Yes, indeed it will. Woo! I got one good, y'all. No, I just barely missed him. Look at that. I thought I got him a little bit, but I thought I had speared him all the way through. See this little stuff? Plant that back. Y'all gonna get tired of me saying that. See these little, plant them back. That's your plant. Booyah! Booyah! Uh-oh. Booyah! Can y'all see? Am I showing? Am I showing onto the? Oh. Leave this one down in. No, yes it is. I knew I wasn't tripping. I'm trying to dig it out, y'all. Nerd. And you do want to dig pretty much where the base of your plants is coming out the ground at. That's where you want. Oh, there's one. tripping all over myself. Plantains. Another onion. I'm gonna dig over here, y'all. I think I'm about through. Let me see, can y'all can see good enough. Oh, there's one. Oh, look at that. All right, y'all. I believe that's it. Let me stack them all together out here in the sun, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what I'm working with.